Hello lovelies, today's video is a very popular and delicious dessert. It's a Middle Eastern one. It's basbousa. Basbousa is a very easy recipe, very popular, everybody loves it. It's very easy to make. The ingredients are 2 cups of semolina. We choose fine kind of simolina, and 1 cup of sugar. Use the same cup for all the ingredients. 1 cup of coconut, and we add also a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together very well. We can add also half a teaspoon of vanilla. It's optional if you want to add it. It has a good flavor and aroma. Mixed together. Then we add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Now the wet ingredients are 1 cup of yogurt. We start to mix all the ingredients together. We should mix very well and squeeze with the fingers to make sure that all the semolina covered with yogurt and the sugar start to dissolve. Then we add a half of cup of water, normal water, and continue mixing. Continue mixing and squeezing for a few minutes. Cover and let it sit for an hour or an hour and a half. Then we pour all the mixture in a baking mold, a round one or any other shape. We set the mixture to cover all the mold, press with fingers, then with a knife we can make marks as shown in the video, squares the size as you want. We can put some nuts, any kind of nuts. Then we bake it for 30 or 35 minutes until it is gold from the sides and also from the top. Now to make the syrup is very important in this recipe. We need 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. When the syrup is boiling, we add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then once the basbousa is out of the oven while it is very hot and the syrup is boiling and very hot, we pour all the syrup over the basbousa and let the basbousa sit down and be cool down at the room temperature before serving it. And now you can enjoy the most delicious basbousa recipe ever, and see you in the next video.